Alright artists, so for this video I'm going to show you how to draw the eye. Now I did put up a video from another wonderful teacher that she did a wonderful job showing how to draw the eye, but I'm going to show you my way of drawing the eye. So whichever one is more clear for you, go ahead and watch. There's so many different ways to start off drawing the eye. I'm just going to show you my way. So for this lesson, here's the I can statement. So I can observe and draw the details of my eyes. That is what you'll be able to do by the end of this lesson. Please keep in mind that this first part of the lesson is how to draw the eye, and then next week I'm going to show you how to color and add value to the eye to make it look realistic. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to start off with the top lid. So I like to kind of make a little curve over here. And by the way, I know you can barely see the camera. It's always best to draw lightly. Now everyone's eye shape is different, and I'm kind of just making up this eye. I'm not looking at anyone or have anyone in mind. If you do, you can go for it. So I like to start with the top lid, and then I like to draw the iris. The thing is, the reason why I drew the lid first is because even though your iris is a circle, you don't really see the whole top of the circle because of your eyelid. I mean, you can if you open your eyes really wide. But, oh, also, if you want to add emotion to your eye, like if you want to make your eye surprised, scared, happy, you can just try out how to draw the eye as practice, and then you can make your project for this lesson. You can kind of just be really creative with the emotion. Okay, what am I doing right now? There we go. Okay, so as you can see, I do draw lightly. It's best to draw lightly because you can always add more depth. You can always make it darker. If you make a mistake, this way you can erase easily. Okay, now for the bottom. Here's a teardrop right here. I'm just gonna round it off a little bit. Do you see how I just curved? Now again, everyone's eye shape is different. Now, your waterline, there's like a space over here for your waterline. So I'm just going to go make another curve alongside the bottom curve for the bottom of the eye, and I'm just gonna, oh, sorry, my camera is kind of going in and out. Okay, I think I could zoom in a little. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the top crease, and everyone's crease is different. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the pupil. Now there's always, because of the reflection of the light, there's always a highlight, a little, it's from the light. It's not an actual white part of the eye. It happens from the light. So I'm going to draw another highlight over here to the side. This pencil's kind of soft, so it's not as black, but when I add color next week, I will definitely make this darker. Okay. Now, in the other video where I posted another art teacher showing you how to draw, she did color this in with pencil. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to show you how I draw the iris, or how I color the iris next week. Okay. Now for the eyelashes, I'm going to just go off the side over here just to show you. The eyelashes are like soft check mark. So it's kind of like, just watch the motion of my pencil. It's like I'm kind of making a check mark like this, but it's a lot softer. Kind of like that. Now start over here, just make those. And not everyone's eyelashes are this curly, some are straighter, some are shorter. And because there's a curve over here, you can continue to go like, to just kind of swoop it in this direction, going right, or you can kind of go in the opposite way. This is just how when I look at my eyelashes in the mirror, this is what I've noticed. You can go darker, lighter. Okay. And then for the bottom eyelashes, I'm going to go down to the waterline. And, you know, the eyelashes are a bit shorter. At the bottom. Now, this is very unclear right here, so I'm just going to just show you. I made the waterline. I'm going to use this pencil. When we add color, I can make this more clear. As long as you have the shape, you're okay. Maybe go darken this for the camera's sake, for your viewing's sake. Okay. Alright, and then eyebrows. Everyone has different eyebrows. So eyebrows are kind of similar to the eyelashes, I mean when you draw the hair. So what I like to do first is kind of draw the bottom shape of, don't forget we have a brow bone. Okay, again, everyone's eyebrow shape is different. I'm just going to do a simple. So I'm going to just draw very lightly the shape that I want, and then I'm going to fill in the shape with hair. And then when I show you how to do the shape, the hair, it's kind of similar to the eyelashes. I am going to erase. I should have got a separate sheet of paper to show you the example of the eyelashes. That was me being messy. Okay, now that I have a shape, do you guys kind of see that? That shape, it's very light. I draw very lightly. I could see it better in person, but drawing lightly is best. If you get in the habit of drawing lightly, it'll make drawing a lot easier when you want to adjust and just kind of feel the shape of where things are going. Okay, I'm going to start drawing the hair. You can even draw your lines down this way. If you have someone in mind, you can draw your eyebrows, you can look at your eyes in the mirror if it helps you. Or if you have someone near you and you want to look at their eyes. I'm just kind of, actually this eye kind of looks like my mom's eye. Maybe that's what I'm thinking about as I'm drawing this eye. It does kind of look like my mom's eye. Okay. Now, for the details, we will do more details next week. I want you just to practice drawing the eye. Once you have a good drawing of the eye, please keep it in a safe place, and we'll continue this next week.